Hello everyone, welcome to Alfred World. Hi everyone, I am Mohsin from Alfred World. Hope doing well in this pandemic situation. Today I am going to talk about some job opportunities for Qatar resident. Urgently required. Leading electromechanical company announces urgent employment for the following jobs. Number first, QA QC engineer electrical. Next, planning engineer electrical engineers, testing engineers, VLF, CT, VT, relay, land surveyor, HVLV jointers fitter, Kahrama approved. Next, draftsman, and so on. Candidates with valid NOC and visa transfer can send updated CV to given this email ID. Vacancy for QC inspectors. Requirement: diploma in mechanical, electrical, computers. However, technical school and industrial experiences is accepted. Good English and computer skill is must. Kindly send your CVs to given email ID. Senior Mechanical Engineer, UPDA and Civil Defense certified with 13 years experience in MEP, construction and consulting with a strong experience in design, engineering, construction, site supervision, inspection and procurement of HVAC, firefighting, plumbing and drainage system. NOC available. Kindly send your CVs to given email ID. UPDA certified civil QA QC engineer. Indian 9 years experience in high-rise building, oil and gas, infrastructure, road and sewer, villa projects with UPDA. Qatar driving license, NOC available with transferable visa. Can join immediately. Kindly send your CVs to given email ID. IT Indian computer software engineer with 10 years experience in web and mobile app development, ERP, digital marketing. Can join immediately with transferable visa. Kindly send your CVs to given email ID. Civil site engineer with 14 years experience in fit out work construction, high rise building, oil and gas. Good in planning engineer with Primavera P6. Kindly send your CVs to given email ID. Civil inspector QA QC engineer, Filipino, aged 40 plus 18 years, Qatar, solid experienced, big scale, Ashghal, Kahrama, contractor, consultant, residential, high-rise industrial buildings including architectural, ready to join with transferable visa, NOC and driving license. Kindly send your CVs to given email ID. QA QC manager, senior quality engineer with 15 years experience, 9 years in Qatar. Kindly send your CVs to given email ID. HSE manager, deputy engineer in construction industry, telecom, MEP, facility management, electrical installation, etc. Kindly send your CVs to given email ID.
Thanks for watching it. Now I will meet in next video with latest update. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day.